How to reset Facebook watch page. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix and reset the watch page on Facebook. So all what you want to do is click on the settings and then go to the apps manager, open the apps and then click on the Facebook right here. If you didn't find it, you can search for it right here in the search bar. Click on Facebook and then click on force stop, as you can see. After that, all what you want to do is very simple. Just click on the storage, click on clear data to clear all the data, and then click on this for stop. And now last thing you want to do is update your Facebook into the latest version if you don't have the latest one. And last thing, restart your phone, reopen Facebook, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.